Hi everyone, in this video we're going to look at how you can use AI that's not lesson planning or that's not task design. When you want to increase your productivity, we need to talk about the various AI integrations that you can find in various software. Depending on which universe you use, Microsoft, Google, perhaps Zoom, they have and they offer various and different AI integrations. Typically, they are in connection with taking notes, transcribing meetings, summarizing chats and emails, and generating ideas. The functions that are available are highly dependent on your subscription and on the license that your institution has. So I won't be able to show you everything. However, I can highlight a couple of features that you might be able to access. In Microsoft Teams, for example, you can access multilingual support, which basically means that, let's say you're having a team meeting with colleagues from different countries, and you can access live translation and live transcription of that meeting. So apart from live captions, which you can turn on anytime, so you can see the subtitles when you're having the meeting, it will also translate different languages into the language of your preference. It will also create meeting notes once the meeting is over, and Teams can also create tasks based on the meeting transcript. So if a task has been assigned to you, it will land in your Microsoft to-do list. Another useful AI feature can be the calendar optimization. So whenever you'd like to schedule a meeting, Teams can suggest ideal times for these meetings, looking at other participants' calendars. And obviously, Microsoft is big on using and integrating Copilot into its software. So if you have the right license, you're going to find Copilot suggestions in your Outlook, in your Word, Excel. Now, if we move on to Google, in Google Workspace products, you can access, as you could access Copilot in Microsoft products, here you can access Gemini in Google products. So you can have Gemini summarize emails for you or generate draft emails. You can also use Gemini to help you write a response email and respond more quickly, and you can search your inbox more precisely. In Google Docs and Google Sheets, you can access further AI features such as electronic signatures or easier document generation. And in Sheets, Google Sheets, you can visualize data and review data more quickly. If you're using Zoom, then you can also use AI features, which is called the AI Companion, which can transcribe meetings, create memos from meetings. It can also catch you up while you're inside the meeting. So let's say you arrive a little bit later, then you can ask the AI Companion what has happened so far. Another level of workflow optimization that you can achieve with AI features is by using AI agents or the agentic features of AI chatbots. This basically means that you grant access to certain software within the chatbot that you're using. Copilot is a good example for this because it can access your Excel, your Word, your Outlook, but you can also achieve this in Claude, where you can create connectors, or you can set up connectors such as your Gmail, your Google Calendar, or your Google Drive. And with that access, you can ask these chatbots to deliver tasks for you, such as draft emails, organize files, look up files, and analyze your file collection. So with these agents, you can speed up your work. However, you need to be careful what sort of access you grant and which chatbot you trust. It's a good idea to stay with trusted services, such as the enterprise features of Microsoft, which probably your institution has, because then you're going to stay within safe limits. So when you're tackling agentic AI, always make sure you look up what you grant access to and what sort of activities the chatbot is allowed to do. And with these AI features, you can speed up your processes.